What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've got the Saab 9.3 SportCombi for probably about a week. My wife, that I'm separated from, came down and brought my son down so we could spend the day together, and we swapped cars. She's left the Saab with me for a week or so, and I sent her home in the Lexus LS430. She's been getting a check engine light on this, which is a P0300 random misfire. I was getting that once before, but I was also getting the code for which cylinder, so I put a new coil on that one. But this time I'm not getting a code for which cylinder. It's just random misfire. So I think I'm going to order the other 3 new coils and go ahead and order new spark plugs as well. The car, as you can see, has 151,000 on it. So I have no idea when the spark plugs were changed, if ever. But surely they've been changed at least once, but I just don't know. I need to dig out my Carfax on this car and take a look. So anyway, I'm just going to do a little night driving footage in the Saab. Got to run a quick little errand. And yeah, this is for my Saab people. Enjoy. Another thing, I've got to get the oil changed. Oil change is about $1,000 over. and I've got to get a couple of new tires. There's one tire that's been rotated to the back that has a broken belt. I mean, the vibration at lower speeds, I mean, it's gone away by, 45 miles an hour, but anything 40 miles an hour and under, you can, it's wagging the tail of the car. And I'd had the tire looked at and was told that a belt was busted in it. So that was last summer, so it's kind of been dumb that we've been driving it anyway. But so I'm gonna, it's got pretty good Cooper tires all the way around. So I'm just gonna replace 2 of them and rotate the other 2 good ones around to the back. Put 2 new ones on the front. And that should smooth it out. So I got a little bit of work to do. I got to get some tires. I got to spend a little money. I hadn't spent any money on this car though, other than I've bought 1 coil pack and an oil change or 2. Now just 1, I think. This has been a great little car. I mean, who would have thought? But, I did buy it from a company that maintained it with an open checkbook. So, even though I did not get much service history with the car, the Carfax does show a little bit of it, some of it. But, I just know it was well taken care of. It had to be, because, it has not given us hardly a problem at all since we got it. So, yeah, great little car for $3,000. Shoot, you can't beat that. When we bought it, I'm trying to remember how many miles it had on it when we bought it. I wanted to say it had somewhere around 142 or 3. Might have been a little bit more, because my wife, she doesn't drive. I don't know what to call her anymore. We're separated, but she's still my wife. She just is a school teacher. She just drives to school and home, grocery store, home. And, she's not, in the car a lot or for very long. So, not a ton of miles have been put on it since last summer. We're at 151, 265. This car has always been so quick. Man, I put it in sport mode, man, it was just spinning the front tires. Golly. Yeah, this car always tickles me with this acceleration. I can see why people tune these things. It's very attractive. If the car's fast enough though, and I want it to last. So I figure, tuning it, all that's going to do is put extra wear and tear on what's already a pretty fun car. So I don't know. Comment. Tell me what you think. Should I get a tune for this car? It's not like it's $30,000. It's $3,000. But it's just, that little 2-liter turbo is just a hoot. Anyway, like, subscribe. If you like this kind of content, just go ahead and subscribe. I'm always doing car videos of some kind. Shenanigans. And there's a cop. that's only 50% throttle. Had a highway patrolman back there. He was sitting in the dark clocking people, so I couldn't gut it like I normally do. Had to take it easy that time. He was tucked up there being real secretive and sly. But yeah, car's a blast to drive just like it is. I mean, I couldn't imagine what it'd be like. Well, I can't imagine. It would be fun. It sure would. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. It helps my channel. I'm just trying to grow it. I'm not trying to make a living at this, but I would like to be able to continue to buy cars at auction, and you know, the little bit of revenue that I get off this channel certainly helps. You know, so definitely, if you just like car stuff and test drive videos and what have you, just hit subscribe and like this video. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening, and we'll see you next time on Joe's Golden Garage.